Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we're going to learn how to create a collage of image just like this that we can see that tells a story from the modern era to the industrial age to ancient forests to urban wilds, as well as this is just transition. And you can see with the arrows, this is the digital era. You can see it's now here to tell us a story. These are different images that the AI combined together, and it has given us a fantastic story out of it. So the AI tool that I've used to create this collage of image is called Google Gemini, which is completely free to access and make use of it. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this kind of collage or something related that can combine multiple different independent images to make meaning out of them. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. These images are separately independently located, but I want to create another collage. This is a lion, this is a cat, this is a house, and this is a car, as well as an ancient cat. Okay, so you can see as a monkey in here. We'll be able to use this, combine them to make meaning out of them to create a story. So we can come down to our Gemini. Okay, so you can always go to a new chat. Now this is how you add your files. You can drag and drop them in here from this folder. If you can do that, you can directly select all, and then you can drag and drop them in here just like that. Or you can click on this plus sign and upload directly from your files or from a drive or from photos. Now you have the updated feature in that you can connect your notebook directly on Gemini and make use of it. But for now, we just use this. You can upload directly from your file, which is from your local computer. In here, you can select all and just can do Control-A to select all, and you can open, and it's going to be the same way. Now let's say we are going to give it this very prompt. Can you create a cohesive collage of the attached images? Make it highly meaningful, and it should tell a story. Make all of them relevant. You can combine some where necessary. All right, so let's just go ahead and even enter on this, and let's see what this is going to generate for us. As you can see, it is using the Nano Banana tool, which is going to help us to combine the images and give us what we are looking for. Now take a look at what it has given us, a complete image combining all of those, including the house in here. It made more meaning, and then the lion is being bought from the cat, okay, on the market. You can see the cat, reliable runner for sale, advertising the car, and then you can see this is the digital machine in 1995, which is that computer, and another one in here, and the monkey also featured in here. So when you look through the picture, you'll be able to see that all the images have been combined in one place and they tell a story, and then it's very easy to understand. This man and the cat, they are now carrying the lion, and you can see very many details of this. Now this is easily, you can do that with any image. You can tell a story from any of your images that you have, and then you can be able to download this from here. You can come in here and copy, and you can share directly to all of these platforms, or you can copy the link directly and share with people, and they have access to this as well. Alternatively, you can download the full size in PNG, which is going to be downloaded by just merely clicking on this. So you can see I've just downloaded mine. Okay, and you can see it clearly, it's been downloaded. Alternatively as well, you can come down in here and you can still do the same download, or you can humanize with the chat with Killbot if you're interested. Okay, so this basically does it on this simple tutorial about how to create image collages with Google Gemini completely for free. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.